Hey everyone, today we're going to do a video on how to harvest sunflower seeds and roast them. This is the first time we've done this, so we're going to kind of learn as we go. But Miley, she grows mammoth sunflowers every year. In the past years, I don't know why, we just grew them for fun and we just kind of let them go. But this year, she saw a post online about someone roasting their sunflowers, and so she wanted to try it. So.
This is the best looking one I got this year.
It's nice and big, isn't it? So you're going to show them how to take the sunflower seeds off of it?
They're hard.
It is kind of hard. Is it about like popcorn?
Yes.
Harder than popcorn?
A little bit. I can't get this one out.
Maybe if you go right along the edge and kind of break them off, get them started, I think they'll fall off pretty easy. Maybe.
There we go. Starting to come off really easily now.
Alright. It'll be lots of fun to have your very own sunflower seeds to eat that you grew, right?
Yeah. These sunflowers look really pretty, don't they?
Yes, they do. You did a very good job this year of growing them, too. They're some of the biggest ones you've grown yet, aren't they?
Yeah. Some I don't want to know, too, that's been a little bit bigger, too. Not too many in there.
It's kind of a slow process, isn't it?
Yes. They're big.
Yeah, they are nice size.
Oh. I pull one of those things out. Don't want that thing in there.
Nope, you don't, do you? Flying all over the kitchen just like popcorn, right?
There's not too many seeds like popcorn, but this one landed on my dress. That one that went up high. It landed on my dress, though. I think there's only 4 or 5 that's on the floor. Popcorn by now will doing the popcorn is probably, I don't know how many there would be on the floor by now. Probably a lot, though.
Now Miley's getting the hang of it. She's getting to where she can do it pretty fast too.
Yeah, it does hurt. My mom's doing the last one. It kind of looks easy, doesn't it? We got a lot of them in there, don't we?
We sure do. I think that'll be enough to last us through the winter.
Maybe. They look nice, don't they?
Yes, they do.
There's still some stuff we need to do.
Now, what do we need to do next?
Soak them in salt.
Well, before we soak them in salt, we need to get the fan and blow all the stuff out of them.
Yeah.
That we don't want in there.
We tried to use this fan, but it didn't work.
What did we use the fan for?
For stuff out of it.
Yeah, to get all the junk out of it, and it didn't work very well, did it?
Yeah, it didn't.
So what do we do next?
Try to go outside, but the wind blew some sunflower seeds out.
Yeah, it's a really windy day, so we thought we'd take it outside and try it.
It's been windy for a while, too.
Yeah. And it just blew the sunflower seeds away, didn't it?
Almost. It blew some of them, not all of them.
So now what are we going to have to do?
The can full. Put it on here. And get the good ones out.
Yeah. Sit and sort through all of them, aren't we?
Yes.
And that's going to take a long time, isn't it? Just like that. Maybe there's an easier way. There's got to be an easier way. We just haven't discovered it yet, right?
Yeah? You want to see how big these are?
Those are really huge ones, aren't they?
Came up with a good idea. Take a cup and salt it. And put it into the cup. Like that. It's really easy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot easier. It's still a lot of work to have to sort through every single one, but we're getting closer because right here's all the seeds that we've sorted.
And here's all the ones we haven't.
Yeah, we're about halfway through maybe. Maybe a little less than halfway through.
Yeah.
It's just taking a very long time, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I'm getting bored.
Well, we can't stop until all the work's done, right?
Yeah. That looks easy. Easier than what I'm doing. I'm scrapping it and throwing it in the cup.
Yeah, just sort through and get so many of them, and then I just scoop them into the cup.
We're dumping the last of it out. It's been really long, hasn't it?
It has. It's been a lot of work.
Been really boring, too.
Yeah, lots of boring work, but it'll be worth it, won't it, when we get to eat our sunflower seeds.
That's how much we have now. Isn't that a lot?
Yep, that is a lot.
They look good already, don't they?
Yes, they do. Can't wait to see what they taste like when we get them all done.
Yeah. Finally, we're done. Next, we're gonna soak in salt water, then roast them. It's time to soak the seeds in salt water.
Okay, first I rinsed the seeds really well under the faucet. Got them all clean.
They're wet.
And now what are you going to do?
Dump the seeds in here. Everything's stuck to the bottom. It's heavy.
Oh, I know. I couldn't find a pitcher, so I used that big jar instead.
They float.
I do, they're kind of light, aren't they? I think what we'll have to do is put a plate on them and weight them down once we get the salt mixed in, so that way it holds them under water and they can soak up the salt.
They stick to you. Now you're gonna get the salt in. Now you're gonna pour the salt in.
The recipe I found calls for a half a cup of salt, but I thought a half a cup seemed like an awful lot for the amount of sunflower seeds we had, so I decided to go for a third of a cup.
Now I'm gonna mix it. It's hard to mix it because they float.
And just keep mixing around till you can get the salt to dissolve, maybe.
Once you're done stirring, you want to take them all down. Like this. And then put the plate over it. It's getting kind of hard to do it now. They're all tucked down. Now I'm going to put the plate on.
Okay. And how long do we need to leave them?
A whole day.
Right. So we'll check back tomorrow and show you how we roast them. Okay, it's been a day since we started soaking our seeds, and now it is time to drain them and roast them. Miley's going to take off the plate.
Look at the sunflower seeds.
See what they look like.
They're all drained, and I'm going to put them on here and dry them off. I'm just putting some because paper towel can't fit all of them. I'm spreading them out. And I'm going to take a paper towel and do this. They're falling off.
Got them all dried off?
They're still kind of wet. I think
Okay.
that's good,
Yeah,
isn't it?
that's good, because they'll finish drying when you roast them. So next you want to put them on the pan.
Help me put. I'm just going to take this and dump it.
Yeah, that'd probably be the easiest, wouldn't it? There you go.
I'm just going to spread this out. I'll get some more. Had to get a different pan, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And we stand back, get the rest on.
Now she's going to smooth them out on the pan. We're going to roast them at 350 degrees for 20 minutes.
Almost did. Let's see what they look like.
They look good, don't they?
Yes, they do.
So now what's it time for?
Taste them. This one's ready. They taste good.
They taste good?
Yeah.
All right. Was it fun making sunflower seeds?
Yes.
You want to try it again next year?
Yes.
All right.
Because I always spray a whole row of them.
Next year we'll have to roast all of them, won't we?
Yes. And pick them earlier.
Yeah, pick them a little earlier because these were a little bit overdone, weren't they?
Yes.
Okay. When we roasted them, I said that we needed to roast them for 20 minutes, but we found out that it took a little bit longer than 20 minutes. So what I did is I stirred them and put them back in for 5, and then I would check them again every 5 minutes, and we found out that it took about 15 minutes to get them done. And then they didn't turn out too salty. So if I were to do it again, I probably would put at least the full half cup or more of salt in. But these are still pretty good because I don't really care for them too salty.
I'm backing them up to share with my family. I know when my family tastes them, they won't last long.
No, they probably won't because they're pretty good, aren't they?
If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!